Inspector Rajesh Jhende was known in the Mumbai crime branch as a man of few words but sharp instincts. His colleagues often said he had eyes that could read a criminal's mind even before the first question was asked. Behind his stern personality was a painful past. He had lost his younger brother to gang violence in his early days, and since then, every case he handled was more than duty, it was a mission. One late evening, the city was shaken by a series of brutal murders. At each crime scene, the killer left behind a single playing card. There were no witnesses, no weapons, only silence and fear. While many officers struggled to find leads, Inspector Jhende immediately noticed a pattern. Each card was not random, it was part of a larger message. As days passed, the murders continued, and public panic grew. Jhende followed the trail of hidden clues within the cards and discovered the existence of a dangerous criminal network called the Black Deck. Their leader was a faceless mastermind who enjoyed playing a deadly game with the police. To reach him, Jhende had to go undercover and step into the dark lanes of Mumbai's underworld. With his calm yet piercing interrogation style, Jhende broke down low-level criminals and slowly climbed the ladder of the syndicate. But the deeper he went, the more personal the case became. His own family was threatened, forcing him to walk a fine line between duty and fear. Yet, his iron will never wavered. The shocking twist came when Jhende realized the mastermind was not an outsider but a powerful politician working from inside the system. The murders were not random, they were meant to send Jhende a message and break his spirit. But instead of breaking, Jhende grew more determined. In the final confrontation at a rain-soaked dockyard, Inspector Jhende cornered the mastermind with evidence that even power could not erase. He did not need bullets, his sharp mind and relentless pursuit of truth were his greatest weapons. From that night on, Inspector Jhende was no longer just an officer. He became a symbol of justice, a reminder that no matter how clever crime becomes, truth always finds its way through the eyes of a determined man.